Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to hide your bio and your location on your Xbox Series X so people can't just go to your profile and look to see where you live. So if I go to my profile right now, you can see like some sort of information about where I live, etc. So it looks like I'm on Elantown, Mars. So we can change that, or we can pretty much just hide it. So we can go to settings right here, go to general, and then go to online safety and family. Then go to privacy and online safety. Then we want to go to Xbox privacy. Then we can go to view details and customize. Now we can go on down to where it says profile. And here's the first option. Others can see your Xbox profile details. Decide who can see your Xbox profile bio and location. So we can set this to friends. We can block it, or we can set it to everybody. So you can choose whatever you want. So I can just set mine to friends or everyone, and then you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.